This is our Earth. We can all agree that most humans treat Earth like it's a piece of trash. Most of us can also agree that paper cuts are the worst. But imagine having 26% of your hand full of paper cuts. It started off with one paper cut and then turned into 26% of the Earth full of paper cuts and damage. Soon enough, the Earth will be no more. We've all seen the torture happening with plastics, but what about the torture happening to trees? Dealing with plastics, but it's resulting into deforestation. One plastic bottle turned into multiple plastic bottles. Then that turned into billions, if not millions, of plastic bottles. That resulted in our pollution in the ocean. But to solve that, we went from plastic straws to paper straws. Then we went from plastic bags to paper bags. Let's talk about plastics. Plastics have caused many years of damage to animals. It also has a negative impact on pollution. But what about paper? Paper causes pollution when it's made as well as when it's used. When paper is made, it tends to release nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and carbon dioxide, resulting in the contribution to acid rain and greenhouse gases. To make matters worse, deforestation is happening in the background, as well as habitat loss. With that matters, cute animals that live in or under trees are most likely to be killed. Just so people know, animals aren't the only thing dying. Oxygen supply is getting cut down. We would have to rely on whales, and where we're going with the ocean, it doesn't seem like they're going to be in the future. With that, everything in the future is in danger. Let's begin with our big question. How does a thin sheet of paper affect anything? Well, remember the paper cuts? Yeah, that comes from knowing that 26% average of landfills are paper. As you can see here, many cardboard boxes are found in this photo. Well, how does a stack of papers like this affect anything? Well, for your info, 85 million tons of paper is used every single year. 1 ton is equal to about 200,000 sheets of paper. 85 million times 200,000 would be approximately 70 trillion. Well, what about the trees? Well, one pine tree is about 10,000 sheets of paper. With 10,000 sheets of paper, you would be basically dividing your 170 trillion by 10,000 sheets of paper, giving you approximate 1.7 trillion trees. Let's watch a fun little animation. Wasn't that fun? Alright, cut the printers. There are so many types of online platforms. Anything is possible online these days. Stone paper is a great option and is reusable and waterproof. It is a flexible stone used to act as paper. Although it is expensive, you can erase it and write something else. Recycle, not wasteful. If this topic interests you, visit edenprojects.org.